Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Android Studio's Gridview control over here and the image view to display the thumbnails size of images, simple ones, maybe just 6 of them. And also once a user tap a photo, then the larger size of the image will be displayed. In addition to that, the name of the photo will show up as well, such as this one. You tapped a twin tower. I believe this is somewhere in Asia, okay? All right, so let me put this one aside and then let's get started, okay? So let me start the Android Studio and then start a new Android Studio project and select the empty activity and click next. And I'm going to call this one is maybe demo, Gridview, Gridview, all right. And click finish. And then over here again, the app is creating the required folders and related source code for us automatically. All right, so if I'm going to show you the layout file, so this is the layout file, so then you can see that there's a text view over there, and also the default container is the constraint layout. So I wanted to delete the text view over here, and then also I want to convert the constraint layout using to the linear layout. So you can see that I select the constraint layout, right click the mouse button and pick a convert view. Then I'm going to select the linear layout. And then you can see the linear layout can have the or horizontal orientation or vertical orientation, but we want to set it up in the vertical orientation. Okay, so let me click the apply. There you go. Okay, so you can see that by default it is in horizontal orientation. But as you can see from the app over here, we want the parent component or container to be the linear layout, but then we want to add controls into the container in vertical orientation. So this one will be the grid view, this one will be the image view, okay? So let me select the linear layout and then look for orientation. There you go. Okay, so under the common attributes, there is an attribute name called orientation, and then I can click the drop-down list over here or option over here and pick vertical. There you go. So you can see that it changed to vertical right now. And then the next control, I want to put it over there, based on the app over here will be the grid view control. So let me select the widget, okay, and then look for the grid view control, okay. So it's not there. Let me check the container, okay, and then let me see. The grid view control, oops, okay, let me see. All right, it's in the legacy. Okay, it's a little bit old, but it's fine. And then just drag and drop an instance of the grid view control over there. And by default, it will display all the items in the grid view in one column format. But then you can see that we want to set it up to display items in 3 columns format. So let's look for the column. Let me see the number of columns. Give me a minute. All right, so you can see that there's an attribute called a number of columns. Then I'm going to put 3 over there. So once I tap, press the tab key, then the value will take effect. Then you can see that the Gridview control will change to 3-column layout, okay, or format. There you go. Okay, not bad. However, as you can see that the height can match the parent, okay, so I might want to get temporarily reduce the size a little bit, okay. So I just drag this size handle, okay, from button to the top. We can set up the values, okay, for the width and height later, okay. All right, okay, so okay, this will be the Gridview, okay, control, and then now we need to put another view, okay. It will be the image view. So let me put the image view over there. Okay. Okay. And then as of now, okay, there is no photos available to us yet. Okay, so I can temporarily pick something and put it over there. Okay, and then we will set up the margins later. Okay. All right, and then as you can see that we need photos. Okay, we need photos. So let me show you the photos I have over here. Okay, so here will be the photos. 6 photos I'll be using. Feel free to use your own beloved photos. Okay, and then again to put the photos, you need to put them inside the apps under the resource, and then inside the drawable folder. Okay, so let me just select all the 6 photos. So let me see, select the first one and then press the shift key. So 6 of them selected. Right click the mouse button and pick copy, and then let me set this one aside and then select the drawable and then paste. Okay. All right. Again, make sure you paste into the drawable, not the drawable hyphen V24. Okay. Yeah. And click OK. Okay. There you go. 6 photos. Are there already? And then for this one, I might change to the twin tower. There you go. Okay, so set it up like that. Okay, so far so good. All right, and then now I can do a little bit setup for the layout. Okay, so give me a minute. Okay, so for the Gridview control, I might want to set the width to, let's say maybe 380, 380 dp, and the height to 290 dp. Again, you can make the adjustment to fit your needs. And also, I need to set the column width. Okay. So the width of each column. So the column width will be. Let's see, I use 160 dp, and also I might want to set a little bit margin, horizontal margins, and vertical margins. So the horizontal horizontal spacing, not margin, my bad. Horizontal spacing, I use, give me a minute. Horizontal spacing, there we go. I use horizontal spacing, I use 5 dp. And vertical spacing, vertical spacing. So vertical spacing, give me a minute. Vertical spacing is very this is located at the very button here. Vertical spacing I use 10 dp. Again, you can make that adjustment to fit your need. And then also the layout, I want it cell to be centered within the parent control. So I will But look for the property layout gravity. There you go. Okay, layout gravity, expand it, and I'm going to pick, let's say, okay, center horizontal. Okay, so it will center itself, okay, within its parent's control. All right, then this is the text view. So for the text view, okay, I believe that I set the size, okay, to 270 dp for the width, and the height, okay, I set it to 270 as well, okay. And let me see, okay. Then again, the margin, okay, the margin, okay, to the top, okay. So the margin to the top, okay. So let me see, okay, layout margin, get to the top, okay, give me a minute, layout margin to the top, okay, I use, okay, 10 dp, okay, so it will have some spaces between its top edge, okay, and the Gridview control. And also, okay, I want itself, okay, to be centered, okay, among the parent container, okay, within the parent container. So I can use the layout gravity, okay, so expand it, okay, and pick center horizontal. Okay, there you go. Okay, so far so good. All right, okay, so I guess, okay, that will be, okay, what we need so far. As for the string variable, okay, feel free to add some, okay, over there. Okay, so I would say demo Gridview, okay, or change this one to something like joy for photos, okay, joy for photos, okay. And then the description, okay, or the text, okay, image, okay, for the text image, okay, will be something like photo, okay, image. All right. And again, let me increase the font size a little bit. Okay, sorry about it. And then again, let me switch back to the layout file. Okay. And then this image, okay, click the image view. Okay. And then over the, let me see, the okay, content description. Okay. Then I can use the text image, get description over here, okay, photo image. All right, okay, there you go. Okay, so this will be the GUI part. Okay, this will be the GUI part. Okay, yeah. Then we'll do the coding next. Okay, so let me stop the video. Okay.